everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to reorganize my pantry. And I know it's a shame because I have not touched that pantry as far as organizing it in a whole year. So that's what it's going to be in this video. And also I'm going to show y'all what I bought, you know, just to get everything together. I did purchase some bins and I'm going to show y'all that. And also I'm going to show you what it looked like before I get started. I'm trying to think if I should show y'all the bins now. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go on and show y'all the bins that I got. And I got them from Walmart. Let me start off with these ones first. So I did get three. Of these kind right here. It's by the brand Mainstays. It's the 3-compartment paper rope basket. These were $9 something, like $10 a piece. And I did get 3 of these. And this is what it looks like. It has the 3 compartments. So I like this. I needed it. So I purchased 3 of those. Get this out of the way. And I got 3 of these. Same color, by the same brand. So I got 3, same price. They were $9.72, like $10 each. So I really like these. And it has the, you know, it has the fabric in here. You can remove it and wash it. That's what I like. So, cute little basket. So I picked up 3 of those. And the last thing that I picked up are these. So I got the smaller one. These are from Ross. Yeah, these came from Ross. This was $7.99. It's wooden. So I like this box. Okay, I got that one. And then I bought the bigger one. This one was $9.99. And so my plan with these 2 is to put it on the bottom shelf. So y'all will see that in just a few minutes. But this is it. And I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. Don't judge me because it is a mess. All right, so this is my pantry. This is it. Like a lot of stuff in here. So this is what it looks like. Got the trash bags and just a lot of stuff down there. So, and this is where I got my aprons and my grandbaby's aprons. So we're gonna get started. All right, so I'm gonna get started by removing everything out the pantry and setting it on my countertops. And also on my table, I'll be putting some stuff there because I did not realize how much stuff was in there.
But why you let me fall in love if you're afraid to commit? And don't call me in the middle of the night and say that you're not able to be loved. That's not right. No, I don't wanna be that one.
And I got everything out, so I'm just sweeping. I thought it was going to be a lot of dust in there, but I do sweep in there quite often, so it wasn't as much. And I'm just grabbing some Clorox all-purpose cleaner and just going to give it a quick mop. So I'm going to place the cereal I have in these containers. They came from Walmart. So I had put those on the top shelf, and I'm going to change out the pancake mix that I have. So I did pour out the old one and just poured the new one in the container. So now this is what I usually do. I always just cut the instructions off the box, you know, the recipe, and I always tape it to the container, because sometimes, like with pancake mix, some of it is just add water and some of it you add milk. So it's different depending on which kind of pancake mix that you use, and that's what I do. I grabbed a couple boxes of spaghetti noodles that I had, and what I do is I take them out the box and I break them in half and I put them all in the same container, just depending on the noodles. So these are the string spaghetti noodles, so I'll put that in one container, and then I always have my elbow noodles in another container. And I really love to use these plastic containers. They do have the sealed and locked, so once you do that, your food will stay fresh. Even if you put cookies in there, it will definitely stay fresh. So I have the 2 wooden crates. Now I'm gonna put that in the pantry, but it's going to go on the floor, and what I'm storing in there is like the plastic cups, paper towels, aluminum foils, things like that. I'm going through all the box dinners, just checking for expiration dates. Anything that's expired, I am trashing it. Anything that wasn't expired as far as the box dinners, I use the 3 compartment storage bins, and that's where I place those, and they fit in there perfect. So I'm just gathering all of that up and just checking, you know, just different stuff to see what I could put in there. Another thing is, while I'm doing this, like I'm trying to condense everything. I pretty much don't need to use all the storage bins, but I find out later on in the video because I did have to make some changes, but you will see that. See, now this is where I started putting stuff in there, and then I had to change it like 3 times, y'all. 3 times I had to rearrange it just to try to make sure everything fits in there perfect. Yeah, I had to move some stuff around, so that's what I'm doing.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. my perception. Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time. But if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying. Make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down. Putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye. Lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say.
All right, so I am finished, and I had to keep rearranging, you know, just making some adjustments, and everything turned out perfect. So this is it. This is it. So I like the way it is, and I kept forgetting, because the first time when I put the cereal in here, I kept forgetting that they are stackable. I kept forgetting about that. But these came from Walmart. Yeah, all that came from Walmart. And that is the sugar, because I keep my sugar in a bigger jar, but I need to buy some more, but that's what's left, just until I refill it. And so I put the condiments in here and some other stuff in here. So it looks so much better. And I didn't use all the bins. So I still have a few things. I have a lot of bins left over. But as far as these ones, I have 2 more that I didn't use. And then I have the other bins that was in here. But this is the overall look. I still kept the aprons hung up. So, and it's getting ready to get dark, so I turned on my kitchen light. But this is what I have left over. I'm gonna wash these out. See, and clean that out, because I am going to buy some sugar and fill that up. And then this is what I have left over. I'm going to wipe these out. This is stuff. I need to put these in that box. Yeah, these are for cakes. I don't make cakes, but I just keep these on standby. Yeah, so I'm gonna see if those fit in there. But yeah, this is what I have left over. So I'm gonna clean these out. And yeah, 2 of these left over. So I need to vacuum. This rug is dirty. And this is what I had on the bottom shelf before. So I think I'm gonna use this in the bathroom. So I'll show y'all, because I need to do under the cabinets in the bathroom. It's not that bad at all, but yeah, so I'm gonna see if that could fit under the cabinet. And I have that. So yeah, I'm gonna utilize all of this stuff somewhere else. All right, so it is your girl Sparkle, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching.